Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar was mixed on Wednesday as the currency looked for direction despite a major US-Australia mineral deal. The new agreement designed to cut US reliance on China for rare earths did little to lift sentiment amid renewed trade strains between Washington and Beijing. Comments from President Trump suggesting higher tariffs on China won't last long offered only mild relief, while risk aversion kept the US dollar somewhat firmer. The US dollar has rebounded now to around 98.60, extending its rally as investors sought safety amid global uncertainty. Moving on to euro, well, the market's in its third consecutive downward slide, with the pair struggling to recover as the US dollar firmed up, as mentioned earlier. Easing US-China trade tensions and hopes that Washington's government shutdown may soon end supported the greenback. Overall, though, traders are still a little bit on their guard as they await for speeches from the ECB President Christine Lagarde and also looking to next week's ECB monetary policy meeting, which is widely expected to provide the euro's next key catalyst. So with the pullback and rejecting that topside level around 117.55.70, the support is under pressure and may find a little bit more to the demand side if we get closer to 115.60.70. If so, I'm still bullish as this overall pattern should improve and eventually rally on to that top side of 117.5 and reassess. A slightly firmer dollar yen, but still getting closer to a bull trap that could see the market reject the top side region around 152 figure 25 and look lower. I still feel this area is vulnerable and therefore looking at the MACD could bring fresh supply and see a drop, but a 150.80 break is the key to see that next down move towards 146. Sterling a little bit weaker into its fourth consecutive day as investors now await the UK inflation data. The pound weakened after government borrowing exceeded expectations, but overall, let's see if we can see a bounce from where we are and look back towards 135. An impressive sell-off when it comes to gold, dropping nearly 10% to a 3-week low, marking its steepest decline since 2020. You can see here, though, we're getting a hammer coming back since that decline. And let's see if safe haven is the way to go again and see the market rally back towards the top side region of around 4,150 to 4,220.40 and reassess. Finishing up with oil, a good rebound and a rally into its second day puts the eyes now on the region of $60.50 and reassess from there. I like this way the whole thing's shaped up, and let's see if we can get an improvement to the upside. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.